In this video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways you can use to check your Windows 10 activation status. The first way is go to the Start and go to Settings and go to Updates and Security and go to the Activation, and you can see the activation status here. Here it says Windows is activated using your organization activation service. That means it has been activated properly. But if you have a retail license at your home computer and you want to activate it properly, you go to change product key and you will get this window, and you can input the product key and you can activate your Windows. And second way to check the activation status is go to here, search, and type in my PC and go to this PC and go to properties, and if it is Windows 7 it will tell you the activation status here, but it didn't tell clearly the activation status. What you have to do is in Windows 10 you go to change product key or upgrade your edition of Windows. You basically get the same window you got in your first step. So that is the second way to check your activation status. The third way to check your activation status is go to search, type in command, and make sure you run it as an administrator and type in SL software license MGR and type in XPR. And this is what you will get. It tells you your Windows has been activated and it will expire this date. And fourth way to check your activation status is go here and go to run, get the run box here and type in SL MGR VBS and XPR, and you will get the same output what you got in step 3.